guys, welcome to another exciting edition of Zelmo's Customs. I'm your host, Zelmo Brooks. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. The more likes and subscribers, the better off and more I can do on the platform. I'm sitting here with my daughter, who is actually my co-host tonight because she's up with daddy. Say hi, Zora.
Hi, Dada.
All right. Now, guys, let me explain this to you. I did some upgrades, so I want you to see that I got my Greyhound bus station up instead of the gas station. These stoplights, I'm tinkering with. I'm learning to play with them. I'm building different little things. Got your don't walk signs, crosswalk signs and stuff. Yes, you do. What's wrong, baby?
Oh, we don't do that.
Okay, but you can't touch nothing, though, okay? You got your buses, the new Nova LFS. Got your Excelsior XT40, Orion Hybrid, Orion CNG in the back. Yes. Orion 70 CNG, excuse me. Excelsior XT40 in white. Nova LCS. You got your Orion. Yeah, that's right, baby. Or say it again. All your different buses. You got your Greyhound G Series, MC9s, 12s, Prevosts. And this is the catch. I brought the upstairs trains out. The Q and the K is out. Yes, thank you, Zora. So as you see, the Q and the K is out. It's right. It's the platform and everything. But the catch 22 is this. You got the underground. Yes, you have to have an underground. And the station has to have lights. Stand clear the doors, please. That's number 5, and you got your number 2. This is the sweet thing about it is number 2 is going down the ramp, but then you got this other third track. That's the local track to go along with this local track over here. So this is the express. This is the local track. But don't mention the express in this line is number 2 on this side. All right. Let's take a look at the station. Yes, the station name is Broadway. All the nooks and crannies. Yeah, number 2 don't stop at Broadway. We know that, but this is my little city. So, that being said, can't put that there, baby. You're gonna break something. The amazing things that you can do when you put your mind to it. Only at Zelmo's Customs. Let's take a look at this train station. I removed the lights because it's upstairs, and we have to have the lights downstairs.